Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and in my last video I had a look at the Ellipal mnemonic metal. Today we're going to look at another product from Ellipal, the Ellipal Titan crypto wallet. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the Ellipal Titan cold wallet, not just a hardware wallet. Unwrap it. So, cellophane goes off. This slides out. And this opens up. Little note that says, "Congratulations, your crypto is now in safe hands." Nice. Okay, and I guess this lifts it. No, let's see. Let's lift this off here. This is the wallet itself. It looks really nice. And then here, what we have here, we have a mnemonic C word. This is to keep your C words after it gives it to you. Looks like it uses 12 C words instead of 24. But you could probably change that, I hope. And this is the little quick start guy here. Yeah, that tells you how to use it. Okay. And this is the battery that powers the unit. And it comes with an SD card. That's nice. And a USB-C charging cable. All right. So, nice package. Now let's look at the wallet itself. I guess it pops out of here. Yeah, nice parts out here, and this is the wallet. That is metal, it's not plastic, so it's nice quality, has a good weight to it. It feels really nice. And I guess this is the peel. Ooh. Yeah. All right, so, and I believe this is how the battery plugs in. It's magnetic, so that charges it up. And I believe, is there any power? Let me turn it on, see if it actually powers up. If not, then I have to charge the battery. Oh, there you go. So it's firing up for the first time here. Oh, cool. Select language. Okay, English. Download the Ellipal app. Okay, so I'm going to right now go through the process of setting up this wallet, and then we will continue with the review. But first impression, it's screen, nice and bright, nice and big. I can see everything clearly. Battery is at 91%, so I actually don't need this. And metal, I like that. Camera and everything, it looks sturdy, it looks solid, and it feels like, it feels a lot like a high quality phone right now. So yeah, so I'll download the app and then I'll continue. So I download the app and now I'm continuing. So basically, that's where I left off at. So I download the app onto my phone. And so next, my choices are create a new account, recover with the mnemonic C, like in case I had another Ellipal wallet or another BIP39 wallet using C words, I can enter the C words that was in here, and I can recover the wallet that way, or I can import an account. So I think what I'll do is most people start a new account. And start a new account, enter his name, password to start an account, and okay, so we will do all that. All right, it's created the account for us, and now it's getting ready to present the keywords. So once I hit back up mnemonic, it will show me the C words for me to write down and preferably back up onto metal. All right, so there you go. And for security reason, obviously I'm not going to click this and show you guys the C words, so I'll be right back. I was expecting it to show me the C words, but then it gave me 3 points to keep in mind, and I have to agree to all of them. I have to check all of them before it tells me this is my C word. So, important, they will not be stored on here. You must keep it, blah, then back up now. Okay, now we're ready to do it. Okay, so I have verified the seed words it gave me. It was 12 words, so it's not 24, it's 12. And next, we just have to select the coins we want to add to this wallet. Bitcoin is included, and then you could choose from Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. There's a whole list of coins. So as you can see, it supports pretty much every major Bitcoin and altcoin and crypto on the market. So I'll just stick with Bitcoin, and so whatever I have left, I'll just stick with Bitcoin. Just go next. Just go OK, and boom, there you go. Okay, I got the Ellipal set up and my app set up, and connecting this thing is really, really simple. All you gotta do is on the wallet, you click connect the app, and it gives you a QR code. And what you do is on the Ellipal app, you just scan the QR code and it will pull in the information, and that's basically it. And once you've done this, you can actually store this in a safe place. You don't really need it anymore unless you're ready to send out crypto. If you're just receiving crypto, you could use this, or you can use your phone app. I recommend the phone app. So to receive crypto is actually very, very simple. Again, you just go receive crypto, and it gives you my crypto address. So there you go. There's my Ellipal crypto address for Bitcoin. So if you want to send me some Bitcoin, here you go. Scan that QR code and send me some Bitcoin. Conversely, you can do the same thing on the app. So once you download the app, you just basically go to your asset. I only got Bitcoin on here. Just go to Bitcoin. You just hit receive. See? You hit receive down here, and it gives you a QR code. And again, there's the QR code for you to send me Bitcoin. So that's great. That's straightforward and simple. So to receive money, to receive Bitcoin or any crypto, all you need is the app. This can be kept in a safe place so no one can get at it. The only time you will need this is when you want to send out crypto. If you're just receiving, you don't need to. But to send it, and this is the really cool thing, most crypto wallets to send, they connect it to your computer. This Ellipal is totally air-gapped. It never connects to the internet. It never connects to your computer. So how does it communicate with your app to send money? It uses QR codes. Never connected to the internet, all done by QR code. To send money, I enter the password, scan, then sends money. Otherwise, nothing gets sent. So I physically need this to send money, and it's totally air gapped. So that's the cool thing about it. And so compared to say other Bitcoin wallets, say a Treasure that's connected to your computer, it's not air gapped. If your computer has malware in it or it's been hacked where once you connect it, it's connected to the internet, and once it gets to the internet, bad things can happen. With the Ellipal, air gap all the time. Downsides, I can think of a couple of downsides. The first one is that it only offers 12 C words. I would prefer 24 C words instead of 12, but 12 will still give you enough security, and it will take virtually forever to actually get those C words. So the other downside is those C words, the secrets, are stored in just the regular MCU memory. It does not have a secure element chip. So the code card has a secure element. The Ledger wallet, they have secure elements. So they store your secrets in the secure element. This secures the memory. So if someone were to physically get their hands on your wallet, they can try to brute force it and to get at that secret, and it'll be easier to get at it because the secret's not stored in the secure element. But they need to physically get this first. So you have it in a secure location, no one can get it, then you're pretty safe on that. But other than those two, the good points I like about it, and there are quite a few. First good point, metal casing, nice and strong, sturdy. It should last a good long time. Air gap, never connect to the internet. So very important for me if you want security. Another great thing about it is this screen. It's beautiful. It's visible, it's readable. Unlike say my code card, the screen is so tiny, or the Ledger, the screen is so tiny, it's hard to read. So you're trying to confirm a Bitcoin address, and you see in that little tiny screen versus nice screen display. I can clearly see everything. So really, really good. So the Ellipal sells for $169.95, $170, and I recommend that you buy it with the companion metal mnemonic. So this way, when it gives you the C word, you would store it in metal instead of paper, because paper, you never know what's going to happen. So these two are sold as a package. So I believe you save some money if you buy both together instead of buying them separately. And that's what I recommend. I recommend you buy them as a bundle package, and because you're gonna need it anyway. Links to the product will be below this video. If you have cryptocurrency and you want to store cold offline in cold storage for a long time and keep it safe and have access to it using a simple app, this is a great combination. The Ellipal Titan along with the Ellipal Mnemonic Metal, a great combination to put your crypto in cold storage. Links to these products are below this video, so go check it out. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.